Imagine having a collaborator that doesn't just answer you, but actually thinks with you. Pretty cool, right? Well, guess what? This interface right here is the gateway to some of the most insane, futuristic AI models ever built. We're talking about generating stunning images, high fidelity music, and even cinematic video, all from one spot. You can go from a simple thought to a complete masterpiece, creating standard, professional-grade content in seconds. Save yourself the stress of juggling 10 different apps or dealing with tools that just don't get your vision. No more blurry results or inconsistent styles that ruin your flow. Sounds like a dream, guys. I want you to see exactly how insane and intuitive this setup is. It generates high-quality results tailored perfectly to your specific taste. So, what are you waiting for? Let's jump right into the deep end, and I'm gonna show you how to command this power from the comfort of your own home. No complex coding, no steep learning curves, just type in your prompt and watch the magic happen. Let's get into it. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, share this with your creator friends, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Let's begin. So basically, guys, this is an AI tool we all know about. It's popular for creating some of the most stunning and realistic images and videos you can find right now. The first thing you want to do is click on Start Creating. Take a moment to explore the interface. You'll see a lot of powerful features like image to video, AI image editor, face swap, talking photos, and more. This AI is honestly one of the best tools you can use right now, especially for multiverse style creations and highly realistic content. Without wasting much time, let's head straight to the video section. Here, you can choose the type of video you want to create. You have options like text to video to video, and image to video. For this tutorial, we'll stick with text to video. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a clean and user-friendly interface where you can set up your video. You don't need any complicated prompts to get good results. But if you ever need help with prompts or ideas, you can always join my Discord, where you can request prompts and get them almost instantly. For now, we'll keep things simple. First, set your aspect ratio to 16:9 to make your video look more professional and cinematic. Then, type in a basic prompt. For example, create a video of a beautiful lady. Once you're done, click on the Generate button. One thing I really love about this AI is how fast and simple it is. You don't need complex prompts to get high-quality results. Just give it a clear instruction, and within seconds, it delivers something impressive. It even shows you an estimated time for when your video will be ready, so you can step away and come back to it. As you can see, the result looks clean, futuristic, and very realistic. This AI is called Magic Hour AI. It's quite popular, similar to other tools out there, but it really stands out in terms of quality and ease of use. You can already see how realistic and well-generated the video looks. It's sometimes hard to even tell if it was created with AI. If you like the result, go ahead and download it. You can also experiment by changing your prompt. For example, let's switch it up and generate a video of a man instead. Click Generate again, and it will create another realistic video based on your new prompt. The key thing to understand is this: the better and more detailed your prompt, the better your result will be. But even with simple prompts, this AI still delivers solid results. Now you can clearly see the difference between both outputs and how good they look. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and download your videos. You can also explore different models within the tool, like Cadence, 2, or other available options. The better the model you select, the higher the quality of your results. Now let's move over to the image section. Click on Create Image, then select the AI image generator. You'll be taken to another clean interface. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, again for better output. You can also increase the quality, for example, switching to 2K. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. Let's go with 3 options. This time, we'll test out the Cadence model to see how good it performs. Now enter a simple prompt, like a man and his girlfriend having fun in a park. Click Generate. As you can see, the AI creates very detailed and emotionally rich images. You can notice expressions, movement, and even storytelling in the outputs. You might see them running, relaxing, or interacting naturally. It's up to you to pick the one you like best. Now, let's quickly check out the AI image editor. Upload any image you want to work with. Then tell the AI what changes you want. For example, make him face the camera or turn him around. You can also adjust the quality settings and choose different models like Nano Banana Pro or stick with Sedence. Once everything is set, click Generate. The AI will process your request and give you an updated version of the image with your changes applied. And as you can see, the results come out clean and well processed. Overall, this AI is extremely powerful. Even with limited free usage, about 2 to 3 generations per day, it still delivers great value. From my experience, this is easily one of the best AI tools available right now. You can also explore additional features like voice cloning, voice generation, voice changing, and access your saved projects in the library section. So guys, let me know what you think about this AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And make sure you try it out yourself. You'll definitely enjoy using it. If you ever need help with prompts or ideas, feel free to join my Discord and ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.